Hey, what's up? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, have a YouTube question. Have an individual that says, is it legal for a debt collector to sue me before they even respond to my debt validation letter? And yes, it is legal for them to sue you after they send a demand letter. That's all they have to do is show proof that they did try to contact you and try to work something out, even if you didn't receive it. But obviously you did receive it, but you sent a debt validation letter. Now they're trying to sue you. This is a tactic that they use a lot of times, and it could be because they don't have the information that you requested in the debt validation letter, that they might end up trying to try to see if they could get you to either not go to court, not want to fight, forget to go to court, get scared, run, not respond, because you're not used to going into court every day. They're used to going into court every day. So I'm thinking that that's probably what they would be trying to do. And what you're going to have to do is just play along with it. If they sue you, you need to write your responses to the court summons, and then you'll have an opportunity at that time to do a full debt validation of the debt. The judge will allow that to happen. They have to respond to it. They're going to probably try to just send you some bank statements, or they might have all of the information to prove the amount that that everything is above board. And then, the worst case scenario is you would just be moving to do a settlement with them. But yeah, they can legally do that. The only thing that they have to do, uh, based upon most states, is that they just have to send that initial 30-day demand letter giving you the opportunity to dispute the debt. And even if it's not past the 30 days, I mean, you can, if it's not past 30 days and you disputed it with the debt validation, you could potentially have something that could hang it up in court that they didn't give you the opportunity, the right amount of time opportunity to respond, or they might come back and say they did give you the right amount because you responded to them with a debt validation letter and they just chose to just ramp it up and go to court right away. And I'm looking down at my phone because that's where I'm looking at the messages on here. So that's what you need to do is you need to now, if they did take you to court, you need to respond to the court summons. You need to be prepared to potentially have to go to court, but you could potentially win if you do that debt validation and they don't have the information, because that could potentially be one of the reasons why they didn't respond and that they moved straight to that. And everything else that you do now, you need to make sure you respond to the court summons, give a copy to the clerk, and then send a copy to the plaintiff attorney and to the plaintiff, just so everybody knows what's going on. And then you might end up getting it dismissed. They might put it on hold, or they might set a court date for you, and then you're just gonna have to fight for your rights, make them prove everything, and then be able to move forward from there. All right, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. And then if you need your credit reports and scores, please go to the website the number 3scores.com. If you need the debt validation letter, cease and desist collection activities letter, or the statute of limitations letter, these are all three letters that could be used before a debt collector tries to take you to court, not after. You do get to do a debt validation after they take you to court, but you got to respond to it a certain way in a court summons response. You got to format it a certain way to do the response. All right, thank you. And until next time, it's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com.